Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your environment and why you need a custom command prompt. This shapes every next step. Once done, confirm admin rights and pick a shell, CMD or PowerShell on Windows, Bash on Linux. Make sure to note the exact OS version and preferred terminal emulator because configuration files differ. Now create a working folder for scripts and backups. This prevents accidental overwrites. Finally, open the terminal with elevated privileges so the first configuration files can be written without permission errors. Next, you edit the shell profile to define the prompt and behavior. For Bash, open ~/ bashrc. For PowerShell, edit profile, PS1. Once open, add a concise PS1 or prompt function. Include colors and useful info like CWD or git branch. Make incremental changes and source the file after each edit so you can see effects and isolate issues. Also add aliases and small functions for repetitive tasks. Then update path for custom tools. Testing after each change To finish, save a version backup and document what each line does. You'll thank yourself later. Once done, test the prompt in new login shells and other terminal apps to confirm consistency. Make sure escape sequences are correct so colors render properly. Different emulators interpret codes differently. If something breaks, revert to the backup and reapply changes piece by piece. Check file permissions and profile paths. One key troubleshooting tip: disable the last added block first. Most errors live there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.